If you've forgotten your password for CapStar Bank, resetting it is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Visit the CapStar Bank website. Go to the official CapStar Bank website using your web browser. Look for the login section on the homepage. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. In the login area, find and click on the Forgot Password link. This will direct you to the password recovery page. Step 3. Enter your information. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your information, check your email for a password reset link from CapStar Bank. Follow the instructions in the email to proceed. Step 5. Create a new password. Once you access the password reset link, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and confirm it as instructed. After completing these steps, you should be able to log into your CapStar Bank account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.